What's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. This is a message for whoever's going to be the next mayor of NYC. Gotta clean this place up. Come on, man. Let me see if I can show you around who controls the place here. They just let all kind of people roam around, mentally ill people. It's a message for Andrew Yang, whoever's going to be the next mayor of NYC. You got some cleaning up to do, all right? Got some cleaning up to do here, all right? They don't allow anybody to hang out, get inebriated, all that good stuff. See if I can show you around and see if you can spot how nice, how come people love coming to NYC.
Attention please. Please practice social distancing. Maintain a 6-foot distance from others. Thank you and have a safe day.
Here comes a crazy guy talking about he doesn't want to be around anymore and stuff like that.
Attention please.
See if you can spot him.